Welcome to the quick tutorial on the Painter module. In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to use the Painter module to create drawings, modify existing drawings, and also draw over existing resources. Also, as a quick bonus, we'll cover backgrounds in the scene editor. So with that, let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is switch over here to the settings and enable the Painter module in case it's disabled for you. So you can see you can toggle it on and off. So let's go ahead and make sure that it's on and then switch over to the Painter. And so here under Painter, I don't have any paintings right now. So let's go ahead and click on the plus sign to add a new one. And it's pretty simple. You just select different tools and you can draw pretty much anything you want. You can also incorporate existing resources. Let's go ahead and push on top of everything else. So it's on top. Add some labels. Maybe add some effects. And you can play around with the different tools. To save our work, we'll click on the save right here. We can exit and we can name our paint special offers. Now, in order for us to incorporate this into our presentation, we need to convert this into an image. So click over here on the upload, give it a name, and upload. That's actually going to be a JPEG. Create a brand new scene. Go to content, resources, and here's my image, which I can incorporate directly into the presentation. Now, if I later decided that I wanted to modify the image, all I have to do is simply go to the Painter, select it, and modify any way I want. And then, of course, I'll have to, again, save it, upload it as a new image, and I have both copies. This is my original and this is my modified. So the Painter allows you to create a canvas-based drawing that you can really incorporate into your presentation any way you like. If you wanted to modify the image directly, or any resource for that matter, I can incorporate a new resource into the presentation. And then I can simply click on the icon right here, edit resource, to modify this particular image. Again, to change the order of the items, switch to layers. I'll select my star and change the order for the polygon, and now it'll be on top of everything else. Now let's go ahead and switch back to our Painter. You'll notice that I have this icon art now. So again, just like before, if I want to use it in my presentation, I'll have to, of course, save it, save my work, go ahead and upload it and call it icon art 2. Upload it. Again, switch to my scenes. Just like before, go to content, click on the star, and here is my modified resource. So essentially, the Painter will allow you to create custom drawings that you can incorporate and edit later on in your presentation. And as I promised, let's cover one more topic, which is the background creator. If you click on this image right here, you will be able to import custom backgrounds, which is really cool. So I have different backgrounds to select from. And if I select a particular background, I can modify the colors for each one and the scale. So let's go ahead and play with some of the properties and export it into the scene. You'll notice that if I go to layers, this particular background is now set on the bottom, so it's below everything else. That's why I can't select it, since it has this special background icon. If I remove this icon, then I will be able to select it. But in most cases, what you want to do is simply right click on it and click set as background, which will push it all the way to the back and make it so you cannot select it, since it's just a background, so you don't really need to have any selection or really do anything to it. If we preview our presentation, you'll see that everything is as we designed it. Not the most beautiful presentation, but hopefully you get the point. So with the painter, you're able to create drawings over a canvas. You can also modify existing resources. And with the background editor, you'll be able to create fancy backgrounds without being a graphic designer. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial, and thanks for watching.